everybody, it is your girl Glenda, and we are back with another video. I know that this video is started already, but if you'd like to be part of G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we upload a video. So what we got prepared here are some stovetop stuffing stuffed chicken breast. As you can see, we seasoned the chicken breast. I seasoned it with the quad plus some Goya perfect seasoning and also some Goya adobo seasoning. And you are going to prepare your stovetop according to the directions on the box. There's what it looks like. And all we did was just cut a slit, make yourself a nice pocket like so, and you just take your stuffing and stuff it in here, and then, you know, close it as best as you can. Here is the other one, and then I have two that's in here. I have a little bit of olive oil, plus I have some garlic butter in this pan as well. Here's the garlic butter that I used, and what you want to do is just get a nice sear on here, and then you're going to flip it over, get a nice sear on the other side. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees because you will finish it off in the oven. So the name of this meal is going to be our Smothered Stuffed Chicken Breast. We'll be right back when it's time to cook. Alright, so we're going to take this first one and I'm going to try to give it a flip. So you can see the sear that you're looking for. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Hold on, let me get this other one flipped over. Oh my god. That is amazing. That's amazing right there. And once we cook these other two, we're going to make a bell pepper and onion gravy to smother these in. And it's going to be the bomb, y'all. It's going to keep this nice and moist. It's going to be the bomb. We'll be right there. Alright, so what we're going to do is take these out of here carefully, because you know your stuffing kind of comes out a little bit. And we're just going to place them in our dish, our foil pan right here, and put them to the side. Now these are not done. As we said, we're going to place these in the oven, but there's your sear on the other side. Let me see if I can show you what that sear looks like. Can you see that sear? Right there. There's a sear on the other side. Alright, now we're going to place our other two. And you're going to let that go for at least like 5 minutes or so on each side. That way when you put it in the oven, it's not going to take as long to cook the rest of the way. It'll take about another 15 minutes and you should cook it the rest of the way. Now when I did, just to let you know, when I slipped the pocket open, I put a little bit of seasoning on the inside as well. And what I did was just made a seasoning in this bowl with all of the seasonings, about a tablespoon or so of each of the seasonings, mixed it up, sprinkled it on there, and then I opened it up and sprinkled it on the inside before I added the stuffing to the inside. So there's our pan from the stove. There's our indication that we're going to take a quick break, and we will come back to you when it's time to make the gravy. See you in a bit. So as you see, your onions are already breaking down. That's a little indication that you're ready to go. So what we're going to do is add in our flour, all-purpose flour. Let's see, that was about a teaspoon. That's about 2 teaspoons, I suppose. Y'all know I don't be measuring when I'm eating eyeball. Give it a mix. Let it get nice and thick. And pasty looking. That's what you want. A little pasty dryness on your vegetables. And what you're doing at this point is cooking the flour so that your gravy doesn't have a flour taste. Now we're going to season it. Let's go ahead and add our water in there. This is some hot water. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and season it with chicken bouillon. We didn't even add a half a cup of water. Maybe a cup, maybe a cup of water. So, it just depends on how thick you want it. We are going to thin it out though. Some onion powder, some garlic powder, chicken bouillon. Some black pepper. Some seasoning. Mix that up. I'm going to add a little bit more water so I can thin this out some. And then we're just going to take this and pour it over our chicken breast. Do is just pour this right on top of our chicken, and then we're gonna cover it with some foil. That's what we're gonna do, and put it in the oven at 350 degrees for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then that's gonna be it. Cover this up, that way it gives chicken a better chance to go ahead and cook, and these vegetables to get a little bit more softer, more transparent, translucent, whatever you want to call it. And this is going in the oven, 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 more minutes, and we will be ready to eat. See you in a bit.